Let me fred.
Howdy, everybody.
Let's have a fun game, shall we, lads?
Yeah, buddy.
Too spooky for me.
Så fik lige en bump der.
Det er også sådan, jeg savner mine point normalt jo. Bombeplanetaren.
Jeg kan ikke sige en skid på grund af, at jeg er i gang med at spække min fucking gløk, altså.
Jeg sprænder bare, der blander med dem. One truck, one highway.
Blue, what the fuck was that shot into A main?
I have no idea, dude. It was just a panic shot.
Nice,
That's
man.
disgusting!
Den led.
What this game?